Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you top 5 phrases of English language, especially British English.
Contemplate. May I bring water for you? A gesture is more than enough to the wise. I have to go to washroom. An honest wage. Gruyere Jatica. Must bring the yogurt. Pre-dawn meal.
So guys, hope you listened carefully. Thanks for watching. Please on subscribe button and share with your friends. Subscribe the YouTube channel and comment in comment section if you have any problem.